So hey guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you about how to make an aesthetic welcome message using cardboard. In order to do that, first you need to make a welcome channel. Go over to your text channels and click on this plus icon. Write welcome on your channel name and create channel. Once you do this, now you have to go to Google Chrome and search for car.gg. Once you're here, log in with your Discord, your account, authorize, and search for your server and click on get started. And head back to your Discord server, and here you can see Cardbot. Now you have to go over to your welcome channel settings, click on permissions and add role for Cardbot and take this permission, send messages and threads and save changes. Once you do this, Cardbot would be able to send messages in welcome channel. Now you have to set up your welcome channel. Just head over to your Google Chrome again and click on next. Just click on preset, select channel and select welcome. Click on next again, click on medium. Once you do this, head back to your Discord, type for /test and click on greetings test greet and hit enter. Once you do this, as you can see, Cardbot will greet every member with join your server and tell you which member you are and welcome you. You can always edit and make it more aesthetic, more beautiful. This is just a tutorial video, so yes, this is a very basic message, but yes, if you want to make this more aesthetic, comment down below and we will make a more detailed guide on this. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and thanks for watching.